What's up, guys? It's TJ with another cryptocurrency video, and today we're going to be talking about fees on Ethereum. Have you guys ever, maybe you're sending money from one wallet to another wallet and you go to hit it and you look at the fee and you're like, $40 or, $100, or maybe you're using something like Uniswap or something where you're swapping from one coin to another one and you're like, holy cow, these fees are crazy. Man, so what I did is I was like, how can I kind of figure out when's a good time to move money around? When do I know not to do that? So I'm gonna show you guys that trick real quick. So we're gonna go to coinmarketcap.com, and I noticed at the top they have kind of these like crypto stats, and over here on the end they have the GWEI, I think is how you pronounce that. The GWEI, and it's the ETH gas, right? It's got a few different names. Most people call it gas, the gas fees that you're paying. And yeah, this number right here, so super low. This is like the lowest I've ever seen it, a 7. And there's been a lot of like layer 2 solutions that have come in and like really helped lower the gas fees. So it hadn't been a huge deal, in the recent month or two, but wanted to show you guys where that's at. So this is kind of what I look at. So if this is low, so like to me, low, just the numbers that I've seen when I go to check it is, anything less than 50 is definitely low. Probably less than 100 would be a good deal. But I have seen it where it's like 400, 500, and that's when it's going to be those really high fees. Last time I did a transfer, I want to say it was around 30 or 40, and it was like $1 or $2, something like that for the fees. So a 7, there's no telling what that's going to be. But basically what I do, if I'm going to transfer money, or say I, bought something and maybe I'm waiting to send it to Celsius so that I can earn that interest, instead of spending $100 or $200 on a fee, if the GWEI is really high, then I'll kind of wait a few days because I'm not in a big rush. It's just going to be sitting over there anyway, earning interest. So I'll wait for that to go down, and then, like for now, for example, it'd probably be less than $1 just in that money. So you can potentially save a big amount. Now, sometimes you have to move it, hey, I need to buy this right now or whatever. So you can't really afford to wait. But just wanted you guys to know where this is at so you can see what that is. And I looked up, you can type in GWEI and kind of look through the definition of what it is. It kind of breaks it down, on how many GWEI are in one ETH. And, I was trying to figure out if it had any correlation to, like, 7 would be like 7 cents or 70 cents or whatever, but I couldn't really figure out the math that would make sense when I was trying to do it. So, because it's based on the price of ETH, and ETH fluctuates. So, if ETH is $1,000, then 7 GWEI would be one price. If ETH is $10,000, it's going to be a totally different price. So, but yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe for all the cool crypto updates and the tips and tricks that I'm always sharing with y'all. And yeah, let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see in the future down in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.